Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos, and today we're going to be organizing my craft stash. I am in my new space and it's time for me to get my stuff out of bags into organization that I've picked up, into organization that I've just had. So what I'm gonna put together is going to be temporary in this space because I still have some pieces that I wanna buy, but I'm thinking that this shelf is going to be the keeper of all things stationery. I might leave space for my printer and my Cricut. One of my printers I'm not going to be keeping. But I have my Canon printer. It's huge and it's heavy. I'll probably keep that one. And then I have, my sublimation printer. I'm not going to keep that. And my Cricut, of course, I will keep that because I can do a lot of stuff around here with the Cricut. But everything else is just, I have all these random containers and I just need to get everything organized and sorted. So I've been sharing a lot of my organization over the years. I'll have those videos linked in the description box for your convenience. But right now, this entire bag to go through, and this doesn't include the stuff that's at my storage unit. But the main focus is to go through this bag, get things sorted. I have a Temu haul of a lot of this stuff. I have 2 Temu hauls actually, so be sure to check them out. Again, I'll have those videos in the description box, plus links and links to products. And yeah, I just really need to get the stuff out of bags so that I can get back into my journaling and planning full throttle. So let's do it. All right, I think the best way to do this is going to be to lay everything out and see what we're working with. So we're going to make a pile for containers. I've already started one. So this is like all the containers. A lot of this stuff is going to be put in different locations. My Lego thing is in here. So let's go ahead and just dump this out. I didn't realize I had those little jump rings like everywhere. Now they're all over the floor. It's okay. I ended up getting this from the thrift store. Thrift store got a lot of good stuff. Let me take my mail and such out of here. Okay, so my butterfly stickers are inside of here. This I shared in my Dollar Tree haul. These are oldie but goodies. These are from Hobby Lobby. Sticky notes on sticky notes on sticky notes. These are butterfly and floral die cuts. So the die cuts are here, empty container with the pouches. And then in tools, whiteout is considered a tool. So are the adhesive glue dots. And then I have these pouches, which I'm going to put all together on this binder ring. And this could actually be further sticker storage. Oh, here's the little slicer, my beat up slicer. Index cards, we're gonna put this in miscellaneous. And then this is paper. So we have the categories. Oh, and then we have my journal, which has a sticker book inside of it. My journal's getting a little beat up, but it is okay. I need to get all these jump bands together. Oh, my scissors, my craft scissors. The fruit snacks need to go to the snack cart. Okay. Alright. More washi tape. So the washi tape is in this bag right now. It's in there for now. Keyword for now. Then we have more stickers. You're gonna see I have a lot of stickers. Stickers. Oh, we're gonna make another one that's for like sticky tabs. That's like a section of its own for sure. All right, these are stickers. These are my calendar stickers, but they're still stickers. I guess we can put this one random list pad over here because I don't have a lot of list pads going on. Stickers. Then we have the glue and the clips. That's all gonna go in miscellaneous right now. I've been buying a lot of thrifted stuff to store and display my my collection. So that's been fun. That's gonna go in the garbage. And then we have those little fires. All right, so this bag is emptied. All right, so we have the sticky, that's trash. So we have all the sticky tabs here, and then the clear sticky notes, we're just gonna put there. So here's all the sticky flags and then the clear sticky notes. So here's my categories, and now we just need to get everything into temporary storage so that I can easily access it. So based off my list and what I needed to get organized, I pretty much have a home for majority of the things. So for my paper, I'm using this thrifted tin, and I already had some papers inside of here from Shein, but I took the books that I got from Temu and they fit perfectly in. As for my sticky notes, this is a pencil case from Target. It came out during back to school season, and this is jam-packed with sticky notes. I know I have more sticky notes in my storage unit, so I'm probably going to end up separating the larger ones and the smaller ones, but for now this works. And then as far as my miscellaneous tools, I put them in this tackle box. I'm also using these mesh bags from Amazon. Not sure where this tackle box is from, but you can find these on Amazon and at your local craft store. Also, Dollar Tree has some slimmer options as well. And then as far as my tabs and my pockets, I put them inside of this pencil case from Amazon. So I have my clips from my notebook, the pockets from Target, some tabs here, and then some tabs here. My sticker books are all in this stack, and my HP Sprocket also fit in this basket conveniently, and the basket is from Target. Then some stuff I have on this shelf, and once it's all together, I will give a full video on this, but I have some of my die cuts on this tray. I'm using, this was thrifted. I have more stickers on this tray, thrifted, and then my washi tape is inside of this thrifted sewing kit basket. I'm thinking of putting more die cuts here and possibly a plant. I may just end up putting a plant inside of here in general. Again, I don't know. I'm still piecing this together. These are my notebooks that I got on clearance from Target. My actual journal is on the bottom here. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna be doing with this Lazy Susan, but for now, let's go ahead and just put it in the center. So these are 2 thrifted finds. I don't know if I'm gonna put it over to the side. I'm still working on this shelf, but on the bottom, I'm gonna end up putting that basket that I just shared I got from Target. And then I have some other miscellaneous things that I need to find homes for. Not everything is gonna be going here. I'm probably gonna end up having another little craft section in my bedroom, but to be working with a smaller space, this is a good start. And to have my stuff out and to know what I have, I'm ready to start using. So that's it for how I'm starting to organize my craft stash. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box for related videos where I shared all the links to these items. Let me know what you would like to see more of in the comments. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.